welcome back to the Nightside family, and we will be showing you how to do long division. I'll place you down here. Now let's say, so this is how you do long division. So if I was doing a question which we had to divide it by 3, I would do that buzz stop method. So that's buzz stop method. So if I did, you have to put a number in here, like right here. So you got a number, and then you got the number you're going to divide by. So how many 3s can you fit in 3? That answer would be 1. Now 1 times by 3 is 3. Now you do a takeaway, and that'll be 0. You pull the 9 down. So you've pulled it down. How many 3s can you get in 9? That would be 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Simple so far. So that will be 0. And you'll drag down the 1. How many 3s can you get in 1? It's super obvious. 0. So 0 times by 3 is simply 0. And so you still got 1. You drag down the 2. How many 3s can you get into? 4. 4 times by 3 is 12. So this will be the answer. Yeah? Okay, let's do one more, and then maybe you can try one. So let's do a 2 one. So if I said we're doing 2. Okay, so I got that, yeah. And let's say I want 4,682. If you want to follow along with this, write it down. You can, by the way. So how many 2s can get in? How many 2s can you get in 4? That answer is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now 4 take away 4, 0. So you drag down the 6. See that? Okay. How many 2s can you get in 6? Well, that answer is 3. 3 times by 2 is 6. That would be 0. Drag down the 8. Simple so far, isn't it? Okay. How many 2s can get in 8? I'll let you think about this for a minute. Well, that answer would be 4. Simple, easy. So how many 2s can you get in 4? Well, basically 2 times by 4, that would be 8. So that would be 0. You drag down the 2, as you can see. Yeah. How many 2s can you get in 2? 1. 1 times by 2 is 2. That would be your answer. Are you ready for you guys to try? So, you divide by 4. Let's say we do 12,816. Now, if you're confident enough, go ahead and try it. If you're not, just wait for a minute and we'll see what the answer is. And you can learn it, and then let you try yourself some new ones. I'll give you a minute. If you need to, pause the video for more time. Are you ready for the answer? Okay. So how many 4s can you get in 1? 0. And if you haven't got the answer yet, you can pause it and everything. So 4 times 0 is 0. Now you do that. That is 1, you drag down the 2. So yeah. How many 4s can you get in 12? 3. 3 times by 4 is 12. Now you do take away, that would be 0, and you drag down the 8. How many 4s can you get in 8? Simple. 2. 2 times by 4 is 8. So that'll be 0. And you will drag down the 1. See that? Okay. So, how many 4s can you get in 1? 0. Simple. Yeah? Just simple, okay? Now, 0, 0. So you drag down this 6. Yeah? How many 4s can you get in 6? Well, you can only get 1, which will be 4. Okay, so you can't. You'd have 2 left. You can easily just put in R2 at the side, or if you want to, you can do, let's say, let me think, a fraction, which will be 1.5. 1 over 2, or you can do a decimal point, which would be, let me just think. Well, I'm not really sure about the decimal point yet, but you have your remainder. You can do it this way or this way. See you guys.